Look at that. Chicken tortellini soup. Look at that goodness. All that deliciousness. I got a whole chicken, cut it up. Whole chicken already made. You can get them in a deli. Or they sell it in a bag as well. Cut it up and put it in there. Put your onion in there, diced onion, a little olive oil so it doesn't burn. Then you're going to put in 2 boxes of chicken stock, 1 vegetable stock, water if you need it. Then you're going to add 2 cans of veg all, or you can add a can of corn, diced up onion, diced up celery, and diced up carrots. Okay, whatever veggies you like in there, really. Then you're going to let that boil down until all the veggies are tender. Add water as you need it. Seasonings, I used garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and Mrs. Dash. Um, then you're going to add your cheese tortellini. Here they are. You can get a bag of frozen cheese tortellini. Thaw them out and throw them in there for about 10 minutes until they start swelling up a little bit. And then you make some cornbread muffins. Bon appetit.